As the flakes started to fall, traffic started to crawl. It was slow going westbound on the Mass Pike, but the roads were at least okay at 5. But by 7, gridlock on Route 128. Southbound, drivers had to contend with snowy roads and heavy rush hour volume. At one point, it took us more than 2 hours to travel less than 25 miles. Julie Lonchak for WCVB.com.